In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your antenna bezel on this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. Now, our antenna is broken, but of course if you still had yours, it'd be sticking out above here. And the best way to do this, or the simplest way, is to just grab it with needle nose pliers. You can see it has 4 cutouts here. Of course, if your antenna is in the way, you might have to avoid it a little bit, but usually it can retract pretty far down. So once you stick the needle nose pliers in here, you should be able to twist it and turn it. I have done this in the past where they are completely seized on there, in which case you have to grab it with pliers on the side, and that usually chisels up the edge. But if you have to get it off, you have to do it, otherwise it won't come off. So this one's spinning pretty freely, so I'm just going to keep going. It does have quite a few threads in there, so it's going to take a while. Once you loosen it up enough, you should be able to remove this by hand. Of course, it'd be easier if you had the whole antenna here so you could hold it. Oh, there's some of it. Pull this up and off. Set it aside. Now let's lift up the bezel, take it off. These are the threads that you were fighting earlier. Take the new bezel, clean off your mounting area, slide it down, take your antenna mounting nut, pop it over this seal here, thread it on to those threads, and we'll make sure to make it nice and snug. Of course, you don't want to crush everything down, but you want to make sure that it's secure. So with your needle nose pliers or whatever you were using, just give it a little twist like that until it kind of snugs up. And there you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.